Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to create a Notion portfolio for your work. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by opening Notion on your desktop and signing into your account. Once you are inside the workspace, create a new page by clicking the plus icon next to the Add a Page option in the sidebar. Give the page a clear name, such as My Portfolio, so everything stays organized. Next, click on Add a Cover Image to give your portfolio a more professional appearance. Choose an image that matches your style, work, or profession. After that, click Add Icon and select an icon that will appear beside the page title. This can be something simple or more personal depending on the type of portfolio you want to create. Once the page is ready, scroll down to the Empty section where you will begin building the portfolio layout, or simply go to the bottom of page and click on Template option. Once you are here, use the search bar to search for a portfolio template or something similar. Using a template gives you a ready-made structure with sections such as About Me, Projects, Skills, and Contact Information. Select the template to apply it to your page. After the template loads, begin customizing each section with your own information. In the About Me section, write a short introduction about your background, goals, and experience. In the Projects section, you can add project pages or external links to showcase your work. To create a project page, add a new subpage, give it a project title, and include details such as your role, objectives, and results. For the Skills section, you can use a simple list or table to display your abilities and experience levels. Finally, update the Contact Information section with your email address, LinkedIn profile, and any other ways people can contact you. Once your portfolio is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner and adjust the permissions. You can make the portfolio public or share it with specific people only. After that, simply copy the link and send it to potential employers, clients, or collaborators. And that's it! So that's basically how you can create a Notion portfolio for your work. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!